Question A34. If A is -5 and B equals 3, what is 2A squared B? Now, the first thing we've got to do here is realize that we are doing some substitution. And when you are substituting numbers and replacing them where letters are, you need to follow the rules of BIDMAS. So, where are there any invisible times signs first? Well, 2A squared B, you've got to remember that there is an invisible times sign between the 2 and the A squared. Make sure we do a better square this time. And then there's an invisible times sign between the A squared and the B. So there's our invisible times signs. Now let's start thinking about replacing the letters with numbers. So instead of 2 times A squared, well, A is -5, so it's 2 times -5 squared, then times by B, which is 3. Now, what we've got to do now is think about our BIDMAS. So we've got a times, we've got a squared, and we've got another times. We've always got to do squared first because that's higher on the list than multiplied. So that squared goes with the -5. So -5 squared, -5 times -5. If you're thinking the answer is -25, that is incorrect. Because when you're squaring a negative number, you're doing 2 negatives. And 2 negatives multiplied together is a positive answer. So -5 squared is actually positive 25 because 2 negatives make a positive. So -5 squared is positive 25. And then the only thing we haven't done is we haven't done the times 2 and we haven't done the times 3. So seeing as the symbols are the same, you can then just read it left to right. We've only got 2 multiplies left. So 2 times 25 is 50. And then 50 times 3 is 150. So the final answer to this question is 150. You could easily get the wrong answer to that if you forget to do your 2 negatives to make a positive, or if you do things in the wrong order. So you've got to make sure you do things in the correct order according to the rules of BIDMAS.